Why can't I block Facebook using /etc/hosts on Mountain Lion, osx? It worked for a while in the old configuration, but then stopped working for some reason. Here is my /etc/hosts file from my Mountain Lion MacBook Air. This blocks Reddit, but not Facebook. I've tried flushing the DNS cache for the machine, sudo kill all hutton's responder, the browsers, FF and Chrome, and I've tried restarting the computer. And I've moved the entries to the top of the file on the advice of this article, but it didn't work before when it was at the bottom either. Each time, it would block Reddit but not Facebook.
Harink is close, but for some reason osx, as of 10.8.2, doesn't respect the IPv6 loopback address of 1, probably a bug, so you have to use fe80:1% low 0. The reason you need to block IPv6 is because Facebook will serve you their site over v6 if your ISP supports it. You can easily verify this by installing a browser plugin that displays an icon when a site is being served via IPv6. The reason this wasn't a problem for you before is because Facebook likely only recently started serving their site over IPv6. So the correct answer is
Try adding following line in /etc/resolve.conference. This should force osx to use /etc/host before DNS. The only problem is if you use DHCP, this file will be overwrote each reboot.
I've been stomped by this too. I like to do only the necessary steps and hack only the necessary configuration files and nothing more. Here's a summary of what works and what doesn't, what's necessary or isn't, as of today. At Jesse Indall's hack works exactly. Need to use fe80:1% low 0 for the IPv6 loopback. The entries for column 1 seem to be ignored. Sudo flushcake, sudo kill all hutton's responder, not needed. Adding lookup file, bind, in, /etc/resolve.conference, not needed. An important thing to keep in mind when testing this is that some applications have their own DNS cache. For example, the Chrome browser, it doesn't make sense to look up IP addresses on every page reload. If the IP of facebook.com was 173.252.110.27 a minute ago, it should still be the same now, right? This makes it hard to test things, because it takes a couple of minutes for Chrome to expire its cache. Unless you know a method to expunge it. One testing method that worked well for me is using the new incognito window feature of Chrome. Every time you changed something in /etc/hosts, open a new incognito window to view the result, and it should work immediately. The non-incognito windows will work too, eventually, it just takes a couple of minutes.
macos XL Capitan, version 10.11.5. Safari, 9.1.1. I had to use a combination of all the above answers to be able to finally block Facebook. Here are the contents of my /etc/hosts file. And weirdly, this worked. Steps. On your terminal, run sudo vi/etc/hosts or sudo pico /etc/hosts. Save the above contents. From the comment, #block Facebook. On the terminal, run skakut flushcake. On Safari, clear the cache. Menu bar select, develop, and GT. Empty cache. You may have to restart your computer. And problem solved.